What's that? What's in this box? Uh-oh. This is my engine case that I ordered. Box looks like it's got some holes in it. We'll see what kind of shape it's in. This box says master bedroom on it. Sweet! There it is. There's my case for my big block that I'm gonna build. You know what this is gonna make, babe? Power! Lots of power. Look at that. It's got a welded pickup. That's cool. Closer examination. Some of the clearancing that was done on the case. Oh, we left the dowel pins in there. Cool. So it's been cut for a sand seal right here. It's already been tapped and plugged. There's some cleaning up that's gonna have to happen on this case for sure, just to make myself happy. But yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's a AH case, dual relief. It's tapped for full flow. Yeah, this is what it looks like when a case is clearanced by hand. I'm going to come back over and clean up some of this marking, make it look a little better. And the pickup's been welded. Looks good. Looks good. Don't see any major cracks or anything. I just have to have the line board checked out just to double check it, but alright, looks good. So it is preloaded, and then rotate over your zero. Be painting. It is gloss almond.